exhibiting aptitude in teamwork and promoting physical fitness for self-development as well as mental health. Intelligence and skills can only function at the peak of their capacity when the body is healthy and strong. That is according to John F. Kennedy. In this time of COVID-19 pandemic, many of us are losing track towards a healthy lifestyle. The anxiety attacks keep on increasing, the depression reverberates, and our mental health is worsening. I, being a student, have observed and experienced mental breakdowns as anxiety creeps out because of academic pressure, thinking how to develop myself, wondering if COVID will hit me, and what will happen to me in the future after I graduate. Having huge distractions, and with these thoughts, I unknowingly gained weight, resulting me to reach 78 kilograms. This COVID-19 outbreak has truly become the worst case we could ever handle and face. It seems that everyone and our leaders are still affected by the restrictions and changes due to this pandemic. These factors prevented us to be united, which resulted to negative display of actions. Nevertheless, the quarantine has been the moment for me to achieve and embrace change personally and physically.
I, Julius Marfil, am advocating physical fitness and teamwork for everyone. So, teachers, students, government officials, frontliners, and normal citizens and the likes should take time working out and exercising. So, come and join me.
Being physically fit and displaying teamwork are the very foundation of athletes in playing sports. Hence, it can also be applied to individuals who are seeking a healthy lifestyle. Teamwork should be observed and practiced all the time. As a student and as a leader, by simply lending a hand to my classmates who faces hardships academically, will surely give them a breather. This is not the time to be selfish. Be selfless and display integrity. Moreover, working out and exercising has its own benefits, such as first, it helps us to control our weight, it reduces our stress, strengthens bones and muscles, enhances coordination and balance, reduces the risk of heart and any other kind of diseases, and most importantly, it improves our mental health. This workout routine includes by mostly simple cardiovascular endurance exercises and of course, strengthening such as jogging or running, burpees, push-ups, and etc.
Remember, all progress takes place outside the comfort zone, and that is according to Michael John Boba. The clock is ticking. Are you becoming the person who you want to be? If you want something you've never had, you must be willing to do something you've never done. Talent wins games, and teamwork and intelligence in championships. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, and working together is a success. If I can do it, I'm sure you can.